Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can change app icons on Android. So I recommend that you begin by exploring what default app icon adjustments your device has to offer by launching the phone settings and looking for the wallpapers and style or customization sections or some other section that will be named in the same way. On my particular device, that's not even the category that I should be looking for. I'll need to go into display and touch instead. And here, probably enter displays, size and text. Yep, so here you can change the display size, hence adjusting the icon size. And that's about it as far as the default app icons configurations go on my particular device. So if that's true in on your phone as well, you'll need to download and install some third-party icon packs. So just open Google Play Store, then launch search and look for the app icons app, whatever is the app you'd like to go with. You can also go with an entire launcher change, but that's a topic for a whole another video. So let's just go with this app for no particular reason, and we'll use it to customize our app icons. So let's change the icon for AliExpress app, for example. Upload a custom image from gallery perhaps and change it to this photo instead. Crop it as we'd like. Then we'll need to save the changes or press the use button. And now if I'll be let's wait for those changes to be applied first. Add it to home screen. Let's see. Yep, and now indeed the icon for the AliExpress app is changed. So this app allows you to easily change the, or rather set a custom icon for any installed app you have on your phone. So if you would like to change your app icons in bulk, you'll probably need to look for another theme application, or perhaps look into a whole launcher change. Anyway, as far as the basics go, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.